Lincoln, you a sight for sore eyes.
I freed those women. God damn if that place in the hellhole.
Pains you to see what those redneck fucks are doing, doesn't it?
Soon as I get my hands on Jackson, that all comes to an end.
Merle's got pimps scattered around the hollow. Is leaning on them to make up for what he's lost. Kill them, and he'll show up at the club.
All right.
When you dealt with them, come back. I'll be able to confirm that Merle's over at the club. What Merle was doing to those girls up at the club, he deserves to pay.
It into ass.
Huh? We gone. Huh? Bastard's long gone.
What are you doing here?
Sorry. Excuse me.
I can smell you from here, asshole.
You watching your back out there? Merle's holed up over at Perla's. What I hear, he's pissed as all hell. Wish I could see that asshole's face right about now.
Just so we're on the same page. Once I'm in there, I'm killing any motherfucker who gets in my way.
Ain't no one shedding tears for those pricks. You do what you think's best.
I'll be seeing you, Laveau.
Richie must have thought he was a big man when he renamed Perla's. Cocksucker.
still can't believe one of those jigaboo motherfuckers has the balls to come after us. Think they would have learned after Sammy.
Just a local color showing their upset. Besides, you see it around now, dude.
I hear there ain't no stopping this one. It's a black demon or some shit.
You just stop drinking that rot gut.
Huh?
You never been a man I can't deal with.
The fuck?
The hell you at?
What?
I'll reel him back in.
Leave it to me.
Maybe it's over here?
I can smell that pussy from here.
Looking over here now. What? I'll find his sorry ass.
Get off the street.
Now I get...
We have to go. We have to get out.
Motherfucker!
Moving behind some.
Goddamn pussy took off.
Believe he went back to that spot.
You're here somewhere, I know it.
Some bitch can't. He ain't breathing.
y'all back me up.
We will find you, cocksucker.
We will find you, cocksucker. Believe that. Hey, boys, we can't take much more of this. We will find you, cocksucker. Believe that. Believe that. We will find you, cocksucker. Believe that.
Seek it. Reposition him.
Shit!
Down another man.
Find a hole.
Pull that motherfucker out of here!
Shit, yeah.
Buy me some time.
Pull that motherfucker out of here!
Reposition him.
It's just a mess of fun!
more time how a goddamn nigger just strolled on through here without a care in the world.
Got a feeling you thinking.
Let me get my hands on him.
Some bitch tagged me! In my sights! Well, what you gonna do, nigger?
This.
Ah!
Dixie motherfuckers are out of Perlas. Have your men come lock it down.
Good. I'll send some men over to see to the place. Run those Dixie motherfuckers out of the church, and Richie will have to respond.
There's nothing a man...
Enjoying one with him.
Young woman's undergarments. She and her husband were having trouble in seeing that she thought it might help.
Some of that changing anytime soon.
But Uncle Billy told me he helped you clean up from that ages ago.
Honey, I haven't seen your uncle in a dog.
Community love when I
started saying. With the
Forget their problems. Sorry, Grandma. I had no idea.
Surprised to see you out here.
Decided to get some fresh air. That heroin the Dixie Mafia's been selling? It's run out of there by a man named Charlie Kincaid.
Meaning all the other dealers around here kick up to him.
Charlie stays away if he can help it, so you're gonna have to put the squeeze on him. I flagged a couple of his guys. You get them to talk, they'll tell you how to get to him. Now, from what I hear, Charlie's only in this for the money. He's not a true believer like those other Dixie Mafia assholes.
So maybe if I talk sweet to him, he'll decide to bail on Doucette and come work for me. Assuming I can draw him out.
I got something that can help you with that. That's what I wanted to show you. New Bordeaux's on the standard communication grid, so getting a system of wiretaps up and running should be fairly easy. Just install this little beauty on a junction box, and I'll be able to construct an intelligence map of the nearby area.
How many more of these you got?
Just those. The parts are on an agency watch list. But if we manage to dig up more of them, we could wiretap the entire city.
All right.
God damn it! People think living under these commie motherfuckers is so great they should move their asses over to Moscow. You find more of these, you bring them to me.
You are way too sensitive about that shit, man.
Oh, fuck those motherfuckers. Fucking traitors. I'll see you when it's time to move against Charlie.
Walking the dog. Just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, show you how to walk the dog. Come on now, come on, come on. Oh, just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking.
She ain't exactly over the moon about this.
and Trigger were fucking tied. Now he's gotta explain to Georgia how his guy let this happen. The fucking mess.
What are they gonna fucking do? The niggers know who runs shit now.
Yeah, Marcana.
Fuck that. Never in a million years is a white man gonna slave under a wop. You watch. Between Richie's plans and the money from the dope,
Gonna get himself
Dixie will be
killed.
running this city by next year.
Jesus Christ!
Hey, watch for the splashback! Enemy trying!
What's Four-Finger got going on at the church?
There's all kinds of dope over at the church. If you destroy it, the boss is gonna lose a lot of money.
Go with God, motherfucker. Could use some supplies. Heard you were the man to talk to.
Cassandra said you might be calling. I'm happy to help, but I ain't running no charity either.
See anything you need?
Show me what you got.
Guess we're... Good. Call me if you need me.
Huh?
Y'all find a hole!
You piece of shit!
Y'all passed Eris. He's probably long gone.
Look someplace else, boys. Follow my lead,
We will find you,
dipshits.
cocksucker. Believe that.
What?
He got past every single one of us. Hey, boys, we can't take my... We'll shove them out.
Cover!
That's the power of what? Done gone somewhere. You're here somewhere. I know it. Huh? Huh?
Huh?
This asshole's ready for the morgue.